So in this tutorial, we learn how to create a HTML file in Visual Studio Code. I'll later show you on how to open the file in Chrome. First, click the File menu and select New File. So we have to enter the file name. I'll name my file demo.html and make sure to include the .html extension and click Create New File. So I'll create my file in desktop. So I'll click desktop and click create file. So to form the web document, simply click Shift and #1 key to form the exclamation mark and press the tab key. So we have formed the HTML web document. I'll have a H1 heading in between the body tag. Say hello. And we can have a paragraph, the P tag. Thank you. So to open the file in Chrome, you'll have to save it. So back to the file menu and click save. So when I minimize the VS Code, you can see that we have our file which we saved in the desktop, demo.html. To open in Chrome, simply hold and drag the file and paste it. And you can see that you have the H1 and our paragraph. So that's how to open and create the HTML file in Visual Studio Code. Thanks for watching. I'm Edwin from MyPro Education.